You can order the electric fuel pump used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Open the trunk. Next, fold the carpet at the bottom of the trunk. You can now see the fuel pump assembly access window. Next, unscrew the 3 screws holding the access window using a ratchet and a Torx T30 bit. Lift the cover and move it aside. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the fuel pump. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Brush the 6 nuts holding the fuel pump module. Then remove the impurities. Spray the nuts with penetrating oil. While waiting for penetrating oil to act, disconnect the fuel line. To do this, press the 2 tabs at the end of the connector. We recommend bringing paper towels to catch any fuel that flows out, as the line is still under pressure. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 6 nuts holding the retaining ring. You can now lift the fuel pump assembly. Tilt it to pull out the filter. Then position the assembly in a liquid collector. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry out the plastic housing. Remove the black plastic component to install it on the new electric pump. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the second part of the plastic housing to separate the electric pump from the module. Remove the electric pump until you can access the electric pump connector. Disconnect the pump. Then remove the electric pump.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the electric fuel pump used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new electric pump. Remove the plastic cover on the fuel outlet. Install the plastic components on the fuel outlet. Insert the electric pump into the plastic housing. Then reconnect the pump. Clip the plastic housing back onto the fuel pump module. Remove the protection on the fuel inlet. Take the new filter provided in the kit. Then install the filter on the fuel inlet. Take the locking clip and install it on the filter using a small flathead screwdriver. Reinstall the black plastic retrieved from the old pump. Clip the plastic housing back onto the module, making sure it is positioned properly. The preparation of the new part is now complete.
You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com.
Check that the old seal is there before installing the fuel pump module. Insert the fuel pump module into the reservoir. Once in place, screw the 6 nuts holding the retaining ring to the ratchet back on. Reconnect the fuel line. Put the electrical connector back in. Put the cover back in place. Then tighten the 3 screws holding the access window. Put the carpet back in place at the bottom of the trunk. Close the trunk. Operation complete.